Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you the answers of first PUC Model Question Paper 2 of Geography. Previous part has already been uploaded, so if you want to watch that video, you can watch. This is from question number 33. And this is of first PUC Model Question Paper 2. Paper 1 has already been uploaded. This is of paper 2. Now we will start from question number 33. So, South Indian rivers, that is peninsular rivers, are divided into two parts. First one is river falling into the Bay of Bengal and second is river falling into the Arabian Sea. Now first we will read about the rivers falling into the Bay of Bengal. Most of the peninsular rivers originate from west and fall into the Bay of Bengal. Some of the peninsular rivers are, the first one is the Kaveri River. It originates from Durg district, Karnataka. It is called Ganga of South India. So this is the first one, Kaveri River. The second is Mahanadi River. It originates from Raipur district of Chhattisgarh. On this river, Hirakund Dam has been created. Its delta is very fertile. Third is the Krishna River. It originates from the Western Ghat near Mahabaleshwar. So this is the third one, the Krishna River. The fourth is Godavari River. It is the longest peninsular river. It originates from Trambak in Western Ghats near Nasik in Maharashtra. So this is the fourth part. Now next is the river falling into the Arabian Sea. Narmada is the longest river which originates from Amarkantak. It flows in Rift Valley. The Tapti river originates from Betul district of Madhya Pradesh. Narmada and Tapi are main peninsular rivers which drain into the Arabian Sea. The other rivers which drain into the Arabian Sea are Mahi, Sukari, Badi, Sharwati, etc. So this is all about rivers falling into the Arabian Sea. Now we will move on to next question. This is question number 34. So in this question you have to basically tell about the factors affecting the climate of India. So we will read about the first factor. First is the latitude. So India is divided by Tropic of Cancer into the tropical north and subtropical south. Due to the curvature of the Earth, the amount of solar energy received is different according to the latitudes. So this is the first factor which affects the climate of India. Now we will read about the second factor. So this is the altitude point. As we go higher, temperature generally decreases from equator to poles as the atmosphere becomes less dense. Now the third point. Third is the pressure and the wind system. They depend on the latitude and altitude of a place, thus influencing the rainfall patterns. Now the fourth point, distance from the sea. The sea has a moderating effect on the climate. As distance from sea increases, this effect decreases and places experience extreme weather conditions. So this is the fourth point. Now next point. Next is ocean currents. They affect the climate of the coastal areas with the onshore winds. Now next is the sixth point, influence of the Himalayas. The Himalayas act as a climate divide by preventing the bitter cold winds of Siberia from entering into the India subcontinent. So this is the sixth point. Now we will read about part 4. Your part 3 is completed. You have to answer 8 questions in that part. 6 questions I have already told you in the previous part and 2 questions I have completed. Now we will move on to part 4. In that you have to answer any one of the 2 questions. So here we will answer question number 35. This is all about types of winds. So the first type is planetary winds. The planetary winds comprise winds distributed throughout the lower atmosphere. So this is the first type of wind. Now the next is trade winds. These winds are also known as tropical easterlies and blow from the right in northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere due to Coriolis effect and Ferrel's law. Third one is the westerlies. These winds are also known as shirking 60s, furious 50s and roaring 40s. They blow from the subtropical high pressure belts towards subpolar low pressure belts. So this is the third type of the wind. Now we'll move on to fourth type. Fourth is periodic winds. These winds change their direction periodically as there is a change in the season. So this is the fourth one. Now fifth, local winds. So the local winds include the sea and the land bridge created due to the pressure difference between the air over the sea and the land regions. So this is the fifth one. In this way, this question number 35 is completed. So now we will move on to part 5. Part 4 is also completed. Now we will move on to part 5. In part 5, you have to answer 5 questions in a word or a sentence. So, we will start from question number 37. This is about cartography. So, cartography is the art and science of graphically representing a geographical area, usually on a flat surface such as a map or a chart. So, this is the definition of cartography. Next is question number 38, in which you have to tell 2 essential features of a map. So the first essential feature is map projection and the second is conventional signs. Now we'll move on to question number 39. In question number 39, you have to define scale. So the relationship between the real world size of a geographic feature and its representative feature on a map is known as scale. So this is the definition of scale and this is question number 39. Now question number 40. In question number 40, you have to define index. So the definition of an index is a guide, list or sign or a number used to measure change. So this is the definition of index. Now the last question is, what is topographical map? So this is the answer of topographical map. Topographical maps are detailed, accurate graphic representations of features that appear on the earth's surface. So this is the answer of topographical map. So in this way your part 5 is also completed and next questions are of map work which you have to do by yourself. So thank you. Thanks for watching. In this way your answers of model question paper 2 of geography subject has been completed. Model paper question 1 has already been uploaded, so you can watch that video also, and the other parts of this video, that is model question paper 2, is already uploaded. So you can watch the playlist if you didn't find. So thank you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.